Hi there. Today we're looking at Learning Unit 3, Learning Outcome 2, Formative Assessments. Now, formative assessments are assessments for learning. What this means is they are any assessment whereby you are looking to see how the learner is progressing, how much they have understood, and to what extent they have understood it. Now, formative assessments may be informal, meaning they're not for marks, or they may be formal, meaning they are for marks. Most of the time, formative assessments are informal, so they are what we discussed in the previous theme. They are classroom observations, they are exercises, worksheets, but they can also be tests. For example, if you have a test in the middle of term 1, that can be a formative assessment because, let's say the test is on poetry. You give the learner the test back. They see the numerical mark that they get. So they understand on a standardized scale what it is that they have achieved. Also, it provides feedback to them so they understand where they are going wrong, what they are doing right, which areas they need to improve on. So it is used, although it is for marks, it is used to help them prepare for the next assessment. When we go into summative is the one that's at the very end, where it's too late, you are not using it as a feedback tool, you are just using it to see how much work they have learned throughout the given period. So formative assessments are anything that are used to assess and provide feedback to the learner on their achievement and on how well they have understood the material. So I know it says formative assessment is informal, but it can be formal. The main thing is it gauges ongoing processes. So when a student's achievement is collected, interpreted, and used to make decisions about the next step in instruction, this instruction will be better than if no data had been gathered. So when you mark their homework assessments, it gives you a good understanding of where each learner stands. And it really helps if you see a lot of the learners are making the same mistake. You know that you need to address that in class. If one or two learners are making a mistake, but everyone else is getting it, providing them with personalized feedback is the best way to go. There is a wide range of methods used to conduct in-progress evaluations of learners, and some of the ways are here. So written assessments, they need to be scaffolded. Oral assessments, class debates, strategic or tactical questioning is always a good one. Exit slips, so they write down what they understood at the end of the lesson. Admission slips, they write down what they understand at the beginning of the lesson. The minute paper, so the last 5 minutes, they write down answers to a question or two. Revision tests, which may be formal. And then also muddiest points, where at the end of the lesson they write down what is least clear to them. So formative assessments are assessments for learning. In other words, to help them understand how to go forward with their learning.